This guy. What the hell?
Yeah.
The crazies pop out or what? What is going on?
You'll ask the question why, and he'll just keep coming back because he loves you. Jesus loves you to the very end.
Crazies popping out, dude.
Think of how many sins you have. Just in this day, what about your thoughts? Right? He's judging every thought and intent of your heart. Let's assume you did one sin a day. In 1 year, you got 365. You must be 35 years old. Times it. What are you going to do with those sins on the day of encounter?
This guy. Look at this guy. That's funny. What?
What are you going to do with all of your sins?
I can't.
I'm trying to share with you the good news that there's forgiveness for your sin.
Oh, okay. What's your name, man?
I'm a Christian.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin?
Yep.
Cool. And you're a Christian?
Yep.
You just like walk up to people and start preaching, or?
Every day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm commanded to go into all the world and share the good news, because if you don't have it, you're going to hell, young man.
Okay. Are you going to continue to block the driveway right next to a sheriff, or what? You don't care?
I'll leave in a second after I'm done sharing with you.
That's privilege? This is what privilege looks like?
What are you talking about, privilege? It's a privilege to share the good news with you. Yes. You're standing in the middle of the driveway too. Right? But listen, here, I'll give you something to share.
No, I don't want nothing from you, man.
Sure?
You're weird. You're a straight up weirdo, dude. Yeah. Straight up.
I don't videotape people. I'm not that weird.
Straight up weirdo.
I don't videotape people. You don't think that's weird?
Nope.
All right. But guess what? Jesus will take care of all of your sin. So I'm not the last person that's going to talk to you. Guaranteed.
Straight up weirdo, dude.
You enjoy the rest of your day.
Wow. He's just gonna leave. He pulled up, saw me recording this cops, immediately got butthurt, and then tried to act like he was preaching because he was butthurt. Trying to distract me, really. You're weird. So I've been kind of like watching this guy. You're still weird. You're still weird. I have no problem with if you're like a religious person or if you want to preach, but that was like butthurt preaching. That was a guy getting upset because he saw me recording the police, you know, and just decided to like come try to distract me. Butthurt preacher? Hey. Uh-oh. Oh shit, he's got the gloves on, dude. He's got the gloves on. Larry. Hey, Rosie Morris. He's now Atlanta, thank you.
I'm not on probation. My lawyer, that's what they told me last time. So.
He's checking his pulse? What the hell? Is he an EMT or what? What's going on? Of course he's gonna have an elevated pulse rate. This is like nervous city right here. Population this guy. He's now Atlanta. What the fuck? You're not obligated to do any tests, bro.
I know, that's what I'm
You can leave your glasses on, actually.
I do another wrong, dude. So like,
Matthew the King.
yeah, because I do another wrong, bro. Okay, fine. I'll do your test. I'll do your test, bro. Around. Why? What's that? You're not gonna have to do your test, bro. Like, what? Serious? What? 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 I don't know why you're arrested. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I already explained to you. Is this legal?
He can do what he wants, man. He has that badge, you know what I mean?
Going back to your So, like I explained already, you have the right to buy your account. What exactly what that
There he goes.